Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Very good. Thank you so much. I'm just happy that I'm in Mumbai this time around because most of the time whenever GQ events happen, I'm never there. So I'm so happy that I'm here tonight and I'm looking forward to meeting everyone who I haven't met in a very, very long time. And yeah, it's a special event and it's celebrating everyone who's well dressed. So gonna enjoy that tonight. Hello. Is it? ये तो खुश ये बहुत खुश है मैं खुश हो गई आपको देख के What to do? Yeah. You know, initially when I was growing up and when I was really young, it was amazing Bollywood ladies, could be Sridevi ma'am, could be Madhuri Dixit, who inspired me to become an actor. But as I grew older, I realized that it's so important to know what's your own personality because eventually clothes are nothing but an expression of what you feel. So clearly, the more you know about yourself, the more you can express it through what you wear. So essentially, I'm just trying to get inspired by my own self and my own personality so that I'm as authentic as it can be. Yeah, I think I'm really moody with clothes. I think that's most of the women are actually. You know, एक दिन ऐसा मन करता है कि पूरी तरह से तैयार हो जाओ और एक दिन मन करता है कुछ भी तैयार ना हो. So I think women love playing by the mood because that's essentially also the fun part of dressing up. So you get to be very casual sometimes and sometimes really all the way all out. बस ऐसे encouraging words सुनने के लिए तो मैं ऐसे इवेंट पे आती हूँ. ऐसे वेल ड्रेस इवेंट्स में सिर्फ मैं आपके वर्ड सुनने आती हूँ और कुछ नहीं. इनको पूछने दीजिए बहुत टाइम से ट्राई कर रहे थे नॉट So I think I'm, essentially I dress up really formally. Like I like to wear, I prefer a shirt over a t-shirt. That's like my intrinsic nature. So I love dressing up formal even when it's even if it's a chill brunch, I'll wear a shirt and a black pant. So I think it's always been, it's always been formal for me over casual. मैंने नहीं किया सर वो हो गई पोस्टपोन 14 जून को. Actually, it's a great thing that they've done because this film has been shot in 2 languages with different actors. And now both the films will come out on the same day. So there's a Tamil version shot with Nayanthara and there's a Hindi version shot with me and Prabhu sir. So they both release on the 14th of June. So it's perfect. The audiences all around India can see it in the language they prefer and they can watch both the films. Prabhu sir बहुत busy है दबंग 3 में. तो वो ना तो unfortunately he's not been there for promotions but he has big responsibility so but he's loving. I'm sure he's having a great time. Shoots always fun. बिल्कुल सबको ईद मुबारक एंड तो क्या करो सिर्फ सबको ईद मुबारक. अभी आई फील. थैंक यू गाइस. थैंक यू.